equation with by the nodal and but in this have to use concept that is super node. Okay, so basically what is super node? When there is no resistance any one of the wire, that node is technically known as super node. As you can, this is to one of the node V and this is the second node V, and as you can see that there is no resistance in the current, correct? So simply I'm telling you without conversion, or you can convert it also the current source rate. So like suppose this is I1, I2, I3 and I4, then we can mark it as I5, we can mark it as I6. Okay, so node VA equation would I1 is equal to I1 is the incoming current and I2, I5 and I6 are the outgoing. I2 plus I5 plus I6. Okay, I1 is directly the current source is given. If current source is given, then you convert it in form of V by R. You can directly write down I is as it is. But you have to see that direction is same or opposite. So you can see that 4 ampere I1 direction is same. You can write down 4. I2 is moving from VA to ground. So that would be VA minus 0 divided by 1 by 2. I5, as you can see, if I'll write down I is equal to V by R, but there is no resistance. If resistance, then current would be infinite in that case, right? So we don't convert again in terms of V by R for the supernode. We'll write down I5 as it is. Clear? Now move towards I6. I6 is A to V. That would be divided by 1 by 3. Okay. Similarly, we'll make the equation for node. For node VB, how much is the incoming current? I5 and I6 are the incoming current. I5 plus I6 would be equal to I3 plus I4. Correct? Again, I5 is a super node, so we'll make down I5 will be I5 as it is. I6 is A to V, so that would be A minus divided by 1 by 3. I3 over 1 by 6, and I4 direction is and 9 ampere direction. Both are same or in the opposite direction? Tell me. Opposite. So that would be minus 9. Okay, clear? Now from this we can see that we are having three variable. One variable is VA, another variable is VB, and another variable is I5. Correct? So for three variable we need three equations. Third equation will always get it from the super node. Okay. So as you can see that I5 is moving from VA to VB. Always remember in super node you will know there will be no current and there will be no resist. Like I5 is moving from VA to VB, so you'll write down VA minus VB, and you have to take the second sign of the battery always. Okay, in mesh also I told you that second sign of the battery. So in every place I told you the second sign. Second sign is what? Plus 5 or minus 5 in this? Minus 5 would be equal to, okay, so that would be A minus 5 is equal to, this is the super node. Okay, I'm again telling you what is super node. When there is no resistance wire, then in that case we'll consider that node as super node. And for super node we have to make one equation extra. That one equation will include voltage only, no current, no resistance. Now we can solve all the three variable three equation. We'll get the value for VA and correct.